we're going to make an infused kumquat drink.
Welcome to Kiwis to Pistachio.
So what we're doing now is we're taking the kumquat and I cut it along the long side to get the seeds out. Now sometimes when I cut them smaller, the seeds come out. See, these are the seeds over here and I've got a little bundle. So eventually what I'm going to be doing is dicing them. And these is really, what I like to do is I like talking rain. This particular one is just basically a sparkling spring water. I'm going to use sparkling spring water. I'm going to infuse it with the kumquat. And it gives it such a nice flavor. I've already washed these. So we're just going to cut these in little pieces, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put them in the drink. So we get a glass of water. I'm not going to open the bottle at the very last minute, and I'm going to put these in right into it. Try to take the seeds out. If anybody likes any. Now these is going to make it a very bitter drink. Now, if you were to buy these at the store, this much would cost you about $4. This is the time when they're coming out. We happen to have a tree, just cut little pieces of it off, like I'm doing here. And the next step is going to be putting in the water. Okay, so now we're going to uncap this. I'm going to put a little water in it. One way to do this to make sure that you have all the flavor is to put it in a blender. Sometimes it's just nice to have a little something simple, something tasty that you can have with your dinner. This is a very simple drink. Okay, you can put this in cheesecloth and you avoid all the pits. So right now it's got a very tangy type of taste to it. Now I like the tanginess, and many times at night I will put up with it because I don't mind tart to drink. But sometimes I don't want that. So what I do is I add just a little bit of Daily Chef organic agave nectar. I bought this at Sam's Club. And I'm not going to put very much. No, probably not even a teaspoon. See, this is a big tablespoon. It's about half full. The idea is not to lose the tartness. It's just to sweeten it up a little bit. See, just got to make sure all of it gets off the spoon. Now my wife, she doesn't like these parts in her drink. So when I do it for her, I give her a nice fresh glass. That's much better. Try that out if you want a unique kumquat drink to add to your dinner. Thank you for watching. A very good friend, Philip, gave my wife, Linda, this beautiful mug, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it. Now for our second kumquat drink, what I'm doing is I'm using hot water. Just pour it from the kettle. I'm using a tea leaf container, and inside of it what I've placed is the kumquat. If you don't like it floating on the top, some people don't like that, use one of these containers. It's designed for tea leaves, and you just leave it in your water. And this will infuse the water. But you know, that may not be enough. So this is green tea. So I'm putting in the green tea. I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes and I'll be able to check it out. This is another nice hot drink that you can get from kumquats. Of course, do remember to take the seeds out of your kumquat. And I did that before I put it inside. Now you don't have to put in the tea leaves, the peppermint tea. I just think that the kumquat and the peppermint, it gives it a nice flavor, and that's why I do it. And it's got a very mild taste of the kumquat and a much more superior taste of the spearmint tea. Thank you for watching.
Hi, this is Gary. Click the circle on my face to subscribe, or click the upper box on your right side of your screen to check my expanded playlist. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video.